How's it doing? It's Ryan here, and today I'm going to demonstrate the leverage squat. So, this is mainly going to work quads, glutes, depending on what you want to work. You can emphasise glutes by pushing hands back further, you can emphasise quads by pushing knees further forward. So, I'll show you how to do both. Now, just bear in mind, this pad, when I use it with clients and when I've added some weights on, it's been quite uncomfortable in here, so it might pinch a wee bit. So it might be worth maybe having a jumper on, or maybe even having like a wee towel on the shoulders, or just deal with it. Good choice. Anyway, up into here. So you want to keep the shoulders on the pads here, or just in between, wherever feels more comfortable. Going to hold out these handles, kind of a wee spaceship, and then depending on how you're going to do it, I'll show you how to do it with the glutes first. So I would actually warm up doing squats before I do that, but once you're doing a squats warm up, come on to this. Now for the glutes, keep the feet out wide and maybe slightly higher. Toes out, knees out, big toe planted, standing up. Keep the glutes tight, keep the abs tight. Go on, pick this, put it at the bottom. Now, do not drop this. If you get stuck at the bottom, you're going to get stuck, because now that this wee thing's off, there's nothing to save us, alright? So, to emphasise the glutes, think about sitting the hips back and bending the knees very slightly, so hips as far back as you can, and then squeeze the glutes hard to the top. I thought that seems something I was doing. So, 3, 2, 1 down the bottom, 1 second up, squeeze the glutes hard. You're breathing deep into the air. Help you keep that back straight, and then squeeze out. Now, if you want to emphasise the quads, you can keep the same or similar foot position, but what I'd like to do is keep it a bit lower, and then when we squat down, we're going to push the knees far over the toes, and then big squeeze up to the top. So again, breathe deep, push the knees forward, and then as I'm coming up to the bottom, push my feet forward, up into the platform. Go and do that. When you're done, put that right down. Sometimes it might come down here, that's not fine as well, but right up the top. So that is a leverage squat. That's how you use it for the quads, for the glutes. If you want to balance them both, I'd say keep your feet in the middle, sit the hips back, push these forward evenly. But if you want to exaggerate one or the other, you can do that as well. So I'll very quickly just show you that, just so you see. So evenly, think an imaginary cross. I've actually drew a cross my foot, right across the middle of that. You want your feet pretty much centred. Now if you've got quite tight Achilles, might be worth having the feet up a bit higher. If you've got quite good like ankle mobility, you can have them a bit lower. So just right in the middle, especially if you're warm up, close plant your knees out, sit the hips back, push your knees forward, right down as low as you can, while keep that back straight, and squeeze up. 3, 2, 1. 1 second back. So that's the leverage squat. Hope you found that helpful. Let me know if you did.